doing today? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. My name is Faiza. I do easy homemade recipes on this YouTube channel. So if you're new here, feel welcomed, and please remember to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to prepare matumbo wet fry. Yes, matumbo wet fry it is. So our ingredients today are, we do have our matumbo itself, and this matumbo are mbuzi matumbo or goat matumbo. Yes. And we do have our black pepper, we have oil, we have salt right here, we have this nor beef and onion. Yeah, we do have our garam masala right here, we do have dhania, garlic, that is a green pepper. Did I mention onion? And 2 ripe tomatoes. Yeah, so for those who might be asking, let me focus for you this one. This is the Knorr spices. Yeah, it's beef and onion food seasoning. Yeah, I really love it, especially in sukuma wiki and beef and matumbo as well. Yeah, this one is a good one. You can omit all the other spices, but don't miss this one. If you want your food to taste nice, you can do this one, or you can do the 2 cubes one. But I always limit a lot of spices in my recipes. If you are a keen follower, you can notice. So I use this one, and I always use this one sometimes, and nice. Also, I've forgotten to mention, we do have our, yeah guys, soy sauce. And I'm going to use a dark soy sauce, guys. This soy sauce, this particular one, the Santa Maria one, as I always say, I swear by it. It doesn't have that irritating smell for soy sauce. See, ina harufu strong sana. It's upper medium kidogo. See, you can't feel it sana kwa food. Yes, you can try it. Not a bad one. Yeah. Those are our ingredients. So guys, we're going to wash our matumbo thoroughly. Guys, in our pressure cooker, we're going to put our matumbo, add some bit of garlic, just a little bit of garlic, some soy sauce, this is how I do my matumbo, a little bit of it, and then we can add some the Knorr beef and onion seasoning, just a little bit, that's enough. Some salt, a pinch of salt, because we're going to add some more when frying them. Just a little salt. Yeah. So add water there. Some water. And add some more. Just a little. That's enough. So actually this matumbo, this is half a kg. This is half a kg. So cover that up. make sure it's really covered. Yeah, so we are going to, right here guys, so we are going to boil that for maybe 30 minutes, or for those who have this pressure cooker, we give it like 4 times that thing, liye mara 4 times. If you use the normal gas, mara 4, I always give it 4 times and then check. Na depend pia na matumbo, ikiwa ngumu sana unaiongeza like mara moja, unarudisha unaongeza once. So for me I'm going to give it 30 minutes, na hiyo 30 minutes ikianza kuchemka italia mara 4. Yeah, so in the meantime let's slice our onions, our dania and all that. So guys, I've washed the ingredients, washable ones. And just a reminder, I do remove the inner parts of the hoho. That is for the capsicum or the green peppers. I do remove. Yeah. So let's get to the slicing. Begin with the onions. I don't know why I always begin with the onions. Does anyone else do that like me? Onions first. Why? Okay, because they always go fast. I guess so. Guys, 30 minutes later. Yeah, so allow me show you how you cool down this type of pressure cooker. Like in 5 minutes it's cool and you can open it. First of all, you make sure you put your pressure cooker in the sink, open some water on top of it, it cools it down. And then you use a mwiko or a cooking stick to release the pressure. See how fast that was? But do not open it immediately. Give it time. Be some 30 seconds. Again. Feel that? Give it some time again until it's not releasing any pressure. That's how I do with mine. Yep. So you can close the top. So I'm sure it's all released. Yeah, so now you can open. I did that in less than 5 minutes. Actually, it's in 3 minutes. You see how you open? Away from you. You see where my hand is? Guys, be very careful with a pressure cooker. Away. Where I hold, and then do not open this way. Never ever. Open like that. Yeah, you can see our matumbo. Yeah, our matumbo, we're going to test and then. So guys, matumbo sometimes can be stubborn. Yeah, it's not yet cooked, imagine. So I'm gonna give it some maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, because it's already cooked, it's alay immediately. Alay immediately, like 3 times. Yeah, so cover. When covering also, be careful. how I cover. So guys, after boiling our matumbo and checking and then boiling them again because zilikuwa ngumu, this is how they came out. Yeah. So next is frying them. Yeah. So in our pan, we're going to add our oil. First, we make sure your pan is clean and dry from water. Then add our oil. And then we're going to add our onions. And our onions. Cook that. Fry the onions till golden brown. Now add the garlic. One that we crushed. Mix that. So after our onions and garlic are browned, we're going to add our matumbo. Without the sauce, we're going to add like that. Mix that. So mix them up well. So next we're going to add our spices. We're going to add our black pepper, a little bit of it. That's enough. Salt. Okay, we're going to add our garam masala as mentioned. Just a little. Then we're going to add our Knorr beef and onion food seasoning. Just a bit of it. Yeah. And then mix them up. At this stage, this is wet fry matumbo. Actually, guys, this is this is dry fry. This is the stage that you stop at when you're making the dry fry. Please do not mind my baby at the background. She has said mommy has to shoot with me. Yeah, so I'm shooting with her, I'm carrying her. So give that time to cook. You can cover it up. Can cover that for maybe 2 minutes, and then we're going to add our capsicum. Mix that well. Add our capsicum. Changanya vyema. Na kama uja subscribe, hebu angalia hiyo matumbo. Utakosaje kusubscribe hiyo matumbo? Okay, subscribe guys. Sasa tukishapika hapo, tunaongeza nyanya zetu. We add our tomatoes. Yep. Changanya, mix that. Mix that well. Next, we're going to cover that for some time to give it time to cook. You can check that. Mix well. Remember our soy sauce? We're going to add a little bit of it. A little. Mix that. There you go. You can see how matumbo are turning out. See, our tomatoes are well cooked, except for the capsicum, which I prefer like that. You need them a little bit crunchy. Yeah, so remember our sauce, the one we used it. There we go. Not so much. Just a little. This is the sauce that we cooked with the matumbo. Yeah. And I think our matumbo is okay now. We give it a 2 minutes boil because of the sauce. So guys, we'll check our matumbo. As you can see, they are now well cooked. You see, they are now well cooked. So next, we're going to garnish them with our dania. And that's it for matumbo. So guys, I'm done preparing the matumbo, and guys, it is amazing. Iko yummy, it's tasty. Yani, I don't know how to describe this. Let me test on camera and you maybe muamini ama muone ni kweli, because amwezi onja definitely. Yeah, so matumbo ni tamu. So guys, please do this recipe. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Like this video kama umeipenda. Please like it and share if you can. Please. Yes, so see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.